Very recommended siya. Especially doon sa mga want to unload, parang recharge and find what one.
Undergoing a major change in your life, o kaya bago may new milestone in your life, you should definitely attend or
experience ko yung download dito. And then you can experience also like yung masarap din for vacation, yung for relaxation, matamis ang tubig dito, saka yung hangin is very refreshing. Yun, I recommend na pumunta kayo dito.
Highlight ko is yung Aho Sacha. Profound yung experience ko doon. So parang maraming tanong na sagot, mga kailangan kong wisdom para to move forward. So yun yung highlight. And then kung gusto niya din na parang mag-make space for new energies to come in, so maganda din yung retreat. Kasi inaalis niyo yung mga energies na hindi na naglalasi to make space for new. So yeah.
Kasi first time ko siyang ginawa. Dun talaga yung ko may mas nervous ako. And then yung ceremony ng cacao after ng picnic. Kasi sobrang daig ko pa yung tumakbo sa energy na na-release ko siya. Hindi lang energy yung na-release siya. Parang mas full capacity yung energy na na-recharge.
We enjoy the retreat
and the recharge and renew our energy.
Highlight ko yung sa I felt rejuvenated and na-recharge ako after meditation. And I felt a lot of learnings, especially this bagay na na-overlook.
Everything, highlight. Lahat po sila one of a kind. Kasi every part of the ceremony or the technique has its own significance to my life.
Ano siya, new beginning siya. Kung yung gusto niyo yung word na new beginning, ito yung retreat for you.